Hi friends, how are you all doing? Hope you all are doing well in this current pandemic times. I hope you all are wearing mask and taking care of your health. What I wanted to ask you, if you are wearing mask, have you ever asked yourself that have you also worn any psychological defensive mask or any social mask or any ego mask? Yes, we all wear, and we all have to wear at times, and we all have to be still pretending what we are not. Today's topic, I'm coming up with 6 tips for remaining authentic self. My name is Roop Lakhani, and I'm a healer, coach, and consultant for tarot numerology. I always thought while wearing this mask, do we really touch our authentic self? No. Why? Because we have often to deal with lot of people in society, lot of people in our family or relatives where we have to pretend a mask, where we just have to fake a smile, where we just have to talk something which we are not. And that allows us to remain a bit inauthentic. And when the inauthenticity is too much in time, in quantity, then uh, we may go through a lot of painful experiences in our life, and that doesn't allow us to again be towards the happiness. And few days back, when I was just writing a book, I realized how much authentic I had to be to make sure that I am authentic to write each word what I mean to write, and what I really mean those words in my own world. So here comes 6 tips. Let us see the acronym word which I have put. It is Barbie J. We all are aware of the Barbie dolls? Yes, Barbie J. So B is for being in the present moment. So whenever we are in the present moment, we have to make sure that we are not having too much of the worries of the past or anxieties for the future. And that is how we are going to be really be in the present moment. And the present moment will give us the feeling of relaxment and more calmness, and we will be having all those goals really fulfilled when we are in the present moment. The A is for awareness. The self-awareness creates a knowledge of self, and the self-knowledge is the roadmap journey to your peace and happiness. So being aware of who you are, who you aspire to be, and who you wish to be becoming in your future starts everything with self-analysis, self-introspection, self-reflection, and self-awareness. Awareness of even the small thing like who you are right now, an angry person or peaceful person. Awareness of even the big things, to how you talk to people. Do you mean to really say something what you really mean, or are you just faking it, or are you just not really meaning those words, or are you really meaning some other opposite words? The third B is to believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, surely no one can tell that you are not authentic. Why? Because when you believe, you speak your heart out, you speak your soul out, and when you speak your heart out and soul out, the other people are also not foolish that they don't understand between the fake and the real you. The fake and how you talk, your reality speaks on that. So it's all about believing in yourself. Then comes R. So R is reject perfection. Often we are individuals who always been taught to give our best and seek perfection. So once we start seeking perfection, we cannot be ourselves. We start judging ourselves. We start rejecting our authentic path. And that's what does not allow us to be real authentic. So avoid perfection. Then comes Barbie Y. So Barbie Y is saying that you need to be a person who can really have soulful connection. A soulful, meaningful connection in your life will allow you to be more authentic. So whenever you're talking to your family, friends, relatives, or even colleagues, professional, personal, make sure that your connections are meaningful, your talks are meaningful, whatever you question is very thoughtful, provoking, whatever you interact is more towards the higher purpose of creating some productive agenda and not that mean agenda. And that's how you'll be able to create a nice soulful connection. And the last one is J. The J means that journal out your ideas, because when you write down, you are really writing your heart out. It's not for others to read that, it's more for you to read that. And when you let out your negativities, negative thought, negative emotion, toxic emotion, you will be able to see that how you are changing slowly and gradually towards your authentic self. So all the best, guys. Keep using this technique of Barbie J, making sure that you remember what is BARBYG for, and be your authentic self. I give my best to be authentic while delivering. All the best. Love you all.